Hey guys, this is Tanu. Welcome back to our channel. This is our special video because we successfully completed 100 orders. And special thanks to Amita for placing an order. She ordered a resin keychain for her bestie birthday. She sent us a rose to preserve. And I also want to share the making video of our 100th order with you guys. Let's see how I made it. Unboxing time! She sent us a 3 roses to preserve. Actually, she packed it up very well and she sent it through a professional couriers. She sent us a fresh rose, so I decided to dry it. I put the rose petals in a book. After 1 week, it completely dried.
1 week later.
Let's preserve it. For that, I'm taking a paper cup and then I'm going to add a resin and hardener in it. I'm using an ice stick to mix it. Mix it well for 5 minutes. Slowly mix it to avoid the bubbles. Let's add our rose. I cut the petals into small pieces. Mix it well. And then I'm going to add a foil paper. I used a golden foil paper. I will add the product link in description. Mix it well. First I'm taking an alphabet mold and I'm going to clean it using a cello tape. Clean the edges carefully. Now I'm going to pour a resin mix in it. Fold the edges of a paper cup so that you can easily pour it. Now I'm going to pop the bubbles using a matchstick. Let it dry for 24 hours. Next I'm taking a medium size alphabet mold. Again I'm using a cello tape to clean the mold. Now you can see the dust in this mold. If you guys want to know where I bought my all resin materials, I already uploaded the resin haul video. I will leave the video link in description, guys. Repeat the same steps we followed before. Let it dry for 24 hours. Next I'm taking a pendant mold. Again I'm going to repeat the same steps. I will leave the links for the products I used in this video in description. Let it dry for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Comes to my favorite part, demolding time. Make sure it completely dries before demolding. This is how it turns. Let's make a keychain. For that, first I'm taking a handrail. I brought this handrail for 150 with 4 bits. I'm going to drill the hole in the edge of the letter. After drilling, add a gold ring in a hole. Actually, the clip got deleted, so that I can't add it, guys. And then I'm going to add a keychain ring. Now I'm going to drill a hole in top of the letter. Let's add a gold ring in it. For butterfly, I'm going to drill it in a center. Again, I'm going to repeat the same steps. Let's add it together. For that, I'm using a golden ring. The customer wants the B letter in big size and A letter in small size, and also she wants to add a cute butterfly in her keychain. If you guys also want to customize your Resin keychain, or do you want any other customized gifts, you can contact us through a WhatsApp or DM us in Instagram, or also you can mail. I will leave the details in description. For butterfly, I'm going to add a 3 golden ring. Ta-da! our keychain is ready. This is how it turned. Hope she likes it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this to my Instagram